Okay, so here you can see the test setup. This is Dave's cutter. You can see as I scroll through this, you can see that it is lined up well with the cutter. It's not walking left or right at all. I think I have about a 20-inch piece in here. Got 4 rollers engaged, and the rollers are set to be minimum pressure. So we have thicker materials, and thicker materials, just by virtue of their thickness, cause extra roller pressure. So I'm backing off the roller pressure to the minimum. I've replaced the cutting strip. It had a little bit of cuts in it. Not a big deal, but figured we'd replace it since we had it here. Putting this online. I'm going to start this probably about there, because the sign is going to run kind of towards the middle of the material. My speed and force is set at 96 and 186. And next you will see what I will be sending. I didn't have the full sign, so I added my own 1420. I did have the perimeter, so this is the original perimeter and the 1420 that I added. So we're going to go ahead and send this. And you can see it cutting. Okay, here we are back again. I made my cuts. I just wanted to show you the piece of material that we prepped. You know, we transfer tape the back of this, and it's nice and smooth, and it's got, you know, tape over the entire surface. So next I'm going to weed the sign. Okay, back again. So I've weeded this, and now you can see the sign here, 1420. And I'm going to measure the thickness of, or the width rather, of the cutout around the perimeter here. I'm getting about 2.525, and over here at the other end, so I can get it in there. Getting about 2.575, so really close. And you know, the numbers look consistently spaced. I can also check the, I put the weeded parts over here. Not very straight, but I can measure the thickness of the weed. And on this end, I'm getting about 2.3 something. Let's see here. 2.385. And the other end, see here, 2.33. So really close again. Material's kind of gushy, so it's difficult to get with calipers accurate because it deflects as you measure it. But the numbers all look consistent. Perimeter size all looks really nice and consistent. So we're pretty happy with this performance. Thank you.